Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to unbox SMPS from Antec. It is VP550 Plus variant, which provides 550 watt output. Its weight is around 2 kg. I chose this because it delivers 85% efficiency, 3 years of warranty, and most of all, it is affordable. It comes with 120 mm silent fan. It has one 24-pin main connector, one 8-pin CPU connector, two 8-pin PCI Express connector, 7 SATA connectors, 2 Molex connectors, and 1 FTT connector. Let's start with the unboxing. This is the seal pack 550 watt SMPS from Antec. It provides guaranteed continuous power and it is 80 plus certified, which will reduce the power bill. It comes with 3 years warranty. It is manufactured in August 2019 and printed MRP is 4,999 INR. Let's open the packing. Look at this, the packing is brilliant. Inside we find the product overview, which provides brief about the device and its connector details. It comes with UK based power connector, which will be difficult to use in India. I will buy Indian power connector for this. It also provides 4 standard screws. Let's open the cable. This is 24-pin main power connector. It also have two 8-pin PCI Express connector for dual cards, one 8-pin CPU connector, 7 SATA connectors, and 2 Molex connectors. Let's open the protective shield from the main unit. Let me zoom in so you can read the details clearly from all around. Build quality is amazing. Let's see how it performs. That's all for today. Have a nice day. होप करता हूँ आपको ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी होगी। अगर अच्छी लगी है तो प्लीज़ हिट द लाइक बटन और अगर अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब फॉर ऑल फ्यूचर वीडियोस। आगे बहुत सी अनबॉक्सिंग की वीडियो आने वाली है तो सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें। तो मिलते हैं ऐसे ही किसी एक्साइटिंग वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए